guys, it's been a week since we planted some seeds and it's been some fine weather for growing. It's been raining, it's been warm, but in the morning it has been a bit frosty. Let's go see how they're going on. Okay, let's have a look to see how they're doing. That rosemary's not looking well. Let's see how it's doing in another week's time. Doesn't look like anything's growing. It's only been a week though. We'll check back in another week. Same blows with the sunflowers. We have no growth, but still, it has only been a week. Come back next week to see how they're going. We've probably got some growth by then. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that little bell. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!